Alright guys, we're here with the McLaren 720S, white to pink color fade. You guys already know. You saw this on a previous episode. I told you guys it had temporary wheels. His original wheels were off being powder coated. Some of the powder coat guys were taking it easy, taking their time because of this whole coronavirus thing. So we got him back. They're nothing funky. I know a lot of people thought we were gonna do white and pink. We were almost gonna do that, to be honest, but we did not. We kept it a little bit clean. His wheels now went from bronze to this gloss black finish. So just gloss black wheels, Brixton forged wheels, 2021 setup. It's a two-piece wheel actually, so it looks really nice. The old other wheels, temporary wheels, were 21s all the way around. We did that a long time ago on the 720 before many people did wheels, and the 21-inch setup on the front was too big for that car. It doesn't drive very well. 2021 is the proper setup, and it looks incredible. This is gonna go to the customer, my good buddy MKZ. He has a bunch of custom cars we've done. This is really nice, the white and pink, so enjoy.
I'm sorry?
Who makes Vic's camo pants? His camouflage pants?
Who makes Vic's camouflage pants?
Yeah.
I don't know, are you a big fan of the channel?
Of course I'm a big fan of the channel.
Nice.
You guys just uploaded a video 4 hours ago, right?
Yes.
Did you watch it?
Watch it after you answer my question.
Was Sarkis funny in that episode?
I haven't seen him yet, but I will get back to you. Listen, Sarkis is a national treasure.
Yeah.
And you guys play off of each other very well.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem. So, Vic, who makes your pants?
I have lots of pants. I don't know which pants you're talking about.
No. You have one uniform that you rock all the time. The camo
No, that's
pants.
not true. I'm dressed completely different today.
Oh, you don't have the camo pants on?
I do, but see, I have many different camo pants.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Which is the one?
I don't want to give you wrong
has a
information.
Pocket and long strings.
It has pockets and long strings, yellow strings.
Yes.
They're a brand. It's a brand called Rude.
How do you spell it?
It's like Rude, but with the H. So RHUDE.
Awesome. All right, man. I really appreciate it, Vic. I'm gonna watch this video and I'll get back to you.
Sounds good. Thank you.
All right, brother.
Bye bye.
This is another cycle guy.
Is Sarkis mentally slow or something? It's right here.
Is Sarkis?
Mentally slow. Are you mentally slow?
No. How come you don't eat the good ones?
There's no good ones.
You only read the good ones.
Only reason Sarkis got this job because his father's brother owns part of the shop.
Where?
I don't know what. I don't even know what that means.
I don't know.
Alright guys, check out this product. We are about 80% done with the installation. Still have to do wiring, still have a few other panels to take care of, like this gap right here. But this is very, very different for the 4x4s. We're used to doing the electric side steps that go underneath the OEM running board, which is over there. This actually replaces that completely. So you take that out and you put this. A common issue with this vehicle, whenever you do side steps, which everybody wants because even if you're 6'5", it's difficult to get into this thing. Brabus, Mansory, Custom, there's so many different ones. A lot of them sit like this. They don't look very well, honestly, but they do the job. They come out, step on it, you step on this thing after, and you go there. This thing, however, replaces the running board completely and then has a hidden actual electric step. This thing actually will open out and then you'll get another step. The good thing about this step, as opposed to all the other ones in the market, your muffler tips, which go right here, you don't need to touch them. We have it off here just because we're installing the brackets, but we're gonna put that back. So a lot of people have issues when you get the full Brabus steps or even the aftermarket stuff, you actually have to get rid of the tips. If you don't get rid of the tips, it just won't fit. And then a lot of times people just get the front door only because of that, which makes no sense because then your back seat passengers can't get into there. So we're gonna finish up the wiring right now, finishing up all the cosmetic parts of it, show you guys how it operates. This is a new product. We're one of the first to install it. So whenever you guys are ready, hit us up with your 4x4. Now we have a proper actual side step solution.
just at the shop hanging out, and you see this thing flying by. We're thinking about wrapping this thing. What do you guys think? And what color?
Oh, it's a trip. Look at it. It delivers your food.
So we're just gonna go to Rafik's office and show him this. Remember the wheel thing? Look, so far I got
The wheel thing?
Yeah, I got 886 followers. So we're close.
That's likes, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, likes. So let me show the people so they can see it. I have 800. Okay. No.
You don't know how to use Instagram yet. Yeah.
Okay, 886.
Nice.
So we're waiting for Vic to respond. I think he's gonna pre-order. Or you don't want to wait till 1,000.
I never was told about this stupid little bet that you have.
Okay, but
You made that own caption.
Okay, we have 36 comments. Hold on. Hi Vic, I'm begging you. Sarkis is a good guy. Please order the wheels for him.
You're not gonna get the wheels, you idiot.
So, are we getting the wheels?
He doesn't even do regular things.
Mano, can you help me to get the wheels?
Absolutely not. No.
You said you're getting rid of the car.
Let's see if I can get you, bro. Even this guy, Sadu134, he's telling me, let me get you 1,000 likes. So Vic, he's a really good guy. He keeps his promises.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Thank
I'll
you.
get you wheels.
Uh-huh.
No problem.
Thank you.
It hasn't hit the limit yet.
Okay. Okay. So guys,
I'm
come
gonna
on.
get your Instagram deleted before you could hit that. Oh, shit. No, I'm
Come on, do it before tomorrow.
We have a 2015 Cadillac Escalade here. This is not your regular Escalade, as you guys can see. This thing is pretty large. So this car came in here for a leak. So after doing the diagnostics, we did find out that the car needs a water pump. Santos is taking care of this right now as we speak, and hopefully we'll get this thing ready in a few hours and give it back to the customer.
We've been in the auto shop industry for over 20 years. Our partner has been in this game for over 35 years. So we know paint. Our main industry here is fixing high-end vehicles. We use PPG paint, which is factory Ferrari Lamborghini paint. So we know our paint. So you guys know what ceramic coating is. Adds a hydrophobic layer on top of your clear coat. We have a spray for that, which makes it quick and easy to apply. Anybody could do it. We're gonna apply it over here on one side of this Gallardo hood. This car has no bumper on it because we are fixing it. So we're gonna demonstrate on a real world vehicle right here. It's not too dirty, but it's also not clean. We're gonna try one side and demonstrate for you guys what this ceramic detailer is all about. So here's the bottle of ceramic detailer. All our bottles are clear. You see the color, they smell good. This car is getting a bunch of paintwork, so do not mind the scratch comments, all that stuff. We're gonna put the bottle on this side, see what happens. As you can see, it gets stuck and it falls. This hood does slope down, so I wanted to show you guys how it gets stuck instead of going down. This side is like a slide. That's what this bottle does to your car. Even though this has a very rough paint on it, it literally feels like a million holes in it. It is still slippery right now. And this side, without the spray, gets stuck. Alright guys, so the side step is fully functional now. It uses a magnet and a door trigger. So a lot of the other ones with the Brabus, you have to plug in stuff. This one is a different method. You guys are gonna notice how fast it comes down. It's super fast. This thing opens sideways. It doesn't actually open down. That's why we're able to clear the exhaust tip right there, which is really, really awesome work. When you close it, boom. When you want to open it,
Let me just stand it and just close the door. Let's see what happens.
what?
Let's try something. Let me just stand this.
I'm not gonna break it.
It's not gonna break.
And close the door?
Yeah.
No, we're not gonna do that. Because only stupid people do that. Hey, Sarkis, put your head right here.